A pleasant afternoon, sir. I am Elmi Galicia. I am 18 years old. I live in MK Limit Street, Barangay Uno, Lipa City. Ms. Ronaldine Banaag, Instructor 3 at Lipa City Public College, was informed me that you need a data encoder in your establishment. I want to apply for that position. I believe that I have the qualification that you are looking for. I am currently graduating at the Lipa City Public College, taking up a ladderized education program for DSCS, accredited by TEP. My course is divided in 3 trainings: PC operator, hardware servicing, and programming. I experienced being a PC operator at Ladeco Quality Systems located at Sabang, Lipa City. I encoded there some files, inventories, and equipment that has been used. I satisfactorily completed it within 3 months. I also experienced how to troubleshoot hardware and software-related problems. I am a good in writing and spoken English language, and I can construct a business letter. I am a hardworking, patient, and willing to be trained. I choose your company because it will help me to improve myself and to pursue my goals. That's all.